Lately, we've been talking about gas being a huge expense because price continues to go up. But did you know that there's actually a bigger expense worse than gas? And most drivers just don't even realize it. You know what that is? It's called downtime. That's right, downtime. If you are not working, if you're not online, if you don't have somebody in the car, you're not making money. Now, what happens if you can't actually turn your app on because you have to do maintenance or you have to do something else? You're not making any money. You're losing money. So let's talk about how you can minimize your downtime when it comes to maintenance. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And today we are going to be talking about how you can minimize your downtime regarding maintenance. We all need to have maintenance done to our car. There's no way you can't do it. You need to get your oil changed. You need to make sure your tires are rotated and pressured at the right pressure to make sure your car is operating smooth. You need to check your fluids, make sure that all your fluids are, up snuff. And you need to make sure that all of your interval maintenance is completed as well too. So that could be something like your transfer case and different rear differential and, different things that you may need to do intervally when it comes to owning and maintaining your car. Because if you do that, the longevity is going to be much better. But when it comes to maintenance, no matter what, you're going to have downtime. And unfortunately, a lot of people put off the maintenance on their car because they need to get out there and make money. So let's talk about how you can actually minimize your downtime when it comes to maintenance. And it's really easy. Enter Valvoline. So for those who don't know, Valvoline has their instant oil change. And so they have several shops around the country, so you can easily find one that's available for you. But when it comes to Valvoline, getting your oil changed can be in and out in 15 minutes. So instead of leaving your car at the shop for maybe all day or at least several hours where you're down, you're not working, and you're trying to put it off because you can't afford that, 15 minutes, you're in, you're out. You pull up when you need to, and you're out when you're done. So let's put it to the test. So I'm at Valvoline today, and we're going to get a couple of services. We're going to start with the oil change, and we're going to check out how fast that actually is. And then I have a couple other services that I need done, which Valvoline also can take care of. What's great about that is you don't even need to have an appointment. You can just pull up, pull in, and they're going to start servicing your vehicle. How's it going?
Hi, my name is Mike. What can we do for you today?
Looking to get an oil change and a couple other things.
Okay, thank you for choosing us today. Do you mind if I start off by opening the door, scan the VIN number for you?
And just going to need to grab the current mileage from you today. During our 18-point inspection, we're going to start off with a courtesy light check. If you could just ensure that the headlights are all the way on for us, we definitely appreciate that.
They do an 18-point inspection, so they check your tires and they check the pressure in your tires. They check the fluid levels. They'll top off your fluids. They check your light bulbs, your turn signals, make sure everything's operating correctly so you don't get a ticket when you're out there driving.
V106, check bay 2.
Ready for oil, bay 2.
Ready for oil, bay 2.
5.7 quarts, full synthetic, going in bay 2.
Seconds complete, clear for Zoom, bay 3.
And just wanted to show you that your oil is full and clean.
They do have a waiting area with a bathroom, but you can sit in your car and wait, which is awesome. And they have a robust double check system to make sure that your car is better leaving than it is when it came in.
V106, tight,
Check.
drain plug. Tight, 30 foot-pounds.
Check.
Zero fittings lube.
Check.
Not frame off. Filter gasket.
Check. Brake cap tight, air filter secure, oil cap tight, oil stick down, washer cap tight, coolant cap tight, seconds complete, ready to roll, bay 2.
And yeah, look at that. In 15 minutes, I was done and I'm ready to go. But I also needed a little bit more service on my car. So let's take a look at that. Now, when it comes to your interior air cabin, that is what your system uses when it comes to your heat and air conditioning. So if you smell a weird smell in your car, it could actually just be that that needs to be replaced. And once you replace it, your car's going to smell fresh and clean. I also needed a rear wiper blade, so they were able to put that on. And actually, I hit the spot where I need a radiator flush. And just like that, a couple of snaps back in, and we're done, ready to go. And that took about 15 minutes. All right, so I am here at the Valvoline, and I am with the manager, Mike, and he helped take care of my car. But let's talk a little bit more about what Valvoline is, what it offers, especially when it comes to the instant oil change, what they tout with 15 minutes, but right around that range, which is huge when it comes to rideshare driving. And on top of it, a couple of the other services that they use. So let's get right into it. Mike, thanks for taking your time out of your busy day.
Of course.
And yeah, let's talk about Valvoline. Let's talk about what Valvoline is when it comes to, the instant oil change, why it's so great, and then some of the things that are offered with that oil change.
Yeah. So with every oil change, we do an 18-point inspection. We check all the fluids on the vehicle. We set the tire pressure. We check your lights, your wipers, your engine filter, your cabin filter. We replace the drain plug and gasket if needed, all including the oil change price. We like to be very quick, about 10-15 minutes preferably, and get our drivers right back on the road because time is money.
One of the good things about that is 15 minutes. I mean, you take it to a shop, you take it to somewhere else, dealership or something like that, to try to get your oil changed, and it turns into an all-day ordeal. Mm-hmm. So why don't we tell us a little bit about the difference between Valvoline, how that steps up, especially with 15 minutes, the instant oil change, how they call it, and then how that is improved upon, especially when it's dealing with dealerships, when it's dealing with other garages and things like that.
For sure. Honestly, again, speed and being able to get back on the road and staying in your car. We're one of the few stay in the car oil changes. You don't have to pull your kids out and go to a waiting room. You can just stay in the car. You can scroll on your phone. You can just decompress and relax. And we get you out in 15 minutes. Dealers sometimes need your car all day. They need it for days. Although they may shuttle you home, I'm a firm believer that I'd like to have my car. Doctor's appointments, emergencies. It's great to be able to just get in, get out, and keep your car and not have to lose it for a day or more.
Yeah, absolutely. And then not only that, when it comes to rideshare driving, if you're not out there using your vehicle, you're losing money. So downtime is a huge problem. And, having that where you can go in, you're in and out in around 15 minutes, that's a game changing when it comes to if you are somebody who takes it to the shop, if you're somebody who takes it to the garage, or even doing it yourself. There's no way you can actually change your oil in 15 minutes or less, because you have to go to the shop to pick up your oil, your filter and all that, take it back home. Then you got to do all the maintenance on it. And you don't get all the inspection on top of it. You're not getting the 18-point inspection. You're not getting the regular updates on what your car may need or is coming up on for interval maintenance. Why don't you tell me a little bit more too about the interval maintenance when you're doing your oil change? You don't try to upsell anything. You're just trying to educate the person that's coming in with their car.
The rear differential, Honda recommends the first service after 7,500 miles. The service with me is $119.99. The dealers charge $147. We're about 19% cheaper than the dealer. I do want to let you know, with the Honda products, we don't actually carry the oil that is recommended for the vehicle. What I could recommend is you swing past the dealership, you pick up 2 quarts of oil, come on back and see me, and we'd love to help you out with that.
Of what they may need and the services that you can provide to.
For sure. There's no commission here at Valvoline. We're very honest with our recommendations, whether it's just a simple engine or cabin filter or a major service recommended by your manufacturer based on mileage and time. We will not if people say no. We just want to educate and keep people in the loop on what is due for their vehicle. Something as simple as a transmission service. Absolutely crucial to keep your vehicle working long term. Longevity is super important. So we're here just to give you that information and make sure that you're aware and it's your choice when you're ready to service it.
Yeah, absolutely. And then, as a rideshare driver, Most drivers are part-time, but there are definitely a lot of full-timers, especially the ones that are watching. You know, you're putting 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 miles on your car. That's an oil change a month. That's sometimes a little bit more. But the regular maintenance, the regular routine, that's going to help keep your car running. If you're doing 5,000 miles a year, a month, you're doing 60,000 miles a year. In 2 years, that's 120,000 miles. Most cars, somebody's already changing hands to a new car at that point at 120,000. If you want to keep your car going and going and going, you know, 200, 250, even 300,000 miles, it's still possible out there with the engines. But regular maintenance is key on that. So having somebody being able to educate you, say, hey, you know what, your radiator needs a flush, or your rear differential, it needs a little bit of a looking at, especially when it comes to your next oil change and things like that. So that's definitely great as well too. So you have somebody who's there helping you keep your car running longer and smoother and not having a problem when it comes to these inspections and things. So you're on the road instead of in the shop. And then let's also talk price. Obviously, that is probably on most people's mind. Price of everything is going up. Unfortunately, it's, you know, they want to say it's inflation, it's the world we live in. You could argue that, but how is Valvoline's price compared to shops, competitors, and even dealerships?
We're super competitive. The market right now is pretty close to where we're at. But we give better service, exceptional service. Sometimes the dealer is even more. I get some European drivers, Mercedes, BMW, stuff like that, and I'm cheaper than the dealer. And I'm quicker. So it's a no-brainer.
Yes, and you know, we've seen oil changes, and we talk about it on the show quite a bit on the channel, and you know, they're $150 to $200 for the oil change. You guys are nowhere near that, which is even better. So if you're taking to a dealership, one, you got to schedule your appointment. There's no scheduling you need to do. You can just roll up. You can actually check the app too to see how busy that is. And even if it's not that busy, there might be somebody outside saying, hey, no, wait. So you get right in, you're getting serviced in 15 minutes, you're back on the road. So you take a little break, you know, grab a little water, decompress from the last passenger that may piss you off or whatever it might be. You know, it's definitely a nice feature to have there. We're talking oil, but Valvoline does more than just oil. What are some of the bigger services that you do and can provide? And then, you know, if you can give an approximate of the time that you could take of those services.
We replace light bulbs, wipers, we rotate tires, we flush all the major systems except for brake fluid, transmission, radiator, power steering. The four-wheel drive system has a front diff, a rear differential, and a transfer case unit. All-wheel drive vehicles are rear diff transfer case. So we service all of these items, and if by chance we don't carry the oil for a certain system, you can always supply it, and we can definitely take care of that.
Nice. And now what are we looking at in time-wise for some of these services? Because I know, like I say, one of the things Valvoline is touting on it is 15 minutes for your oil change. Yeah. But if you start needing some other services like the rear diff or, you know, the transfer case or radiator flush or things like that, what are we looking at about time-wise when it comes to some of those services?
I would say the longest service would be the radiator service, and even then, 15, 20 minutes. Differentials are very quick, 5 to 10 a piece. Transmission service, also, you know, worst case, about 15, but everything is pretty quick. So
there you go. I mean, you're looking at service that's 15 minutes around on average, and some things are even less depending on what it is. And we just did the radiator flush for my Honda, and yeah, it was, you know, very quickly done. So that's great to see. So yeah, it's one of those things where you're in, you're out, and you're back on the road making money. Wait, anything else that you want to say to our rideshare audience?
Tough to beat, man. Come to Valvoline, see the experience, and we guarantee you'll come back.
Yeah, perfect. And of course, we do have a coupon for you guys. It's 20% off. Click the link in the description below, and it'll take you right to the link. You can take care of that and get your oil changed. I'm sure it's probably a little past due. So at least in this case, you know, 15 minutes, like I say, instead, there's no reason to say, oh, I gotta hold off until I have some time. No, just turn your app off for the 15 minutes. There's thousands of locations around the country, so you can easily find one that's convenient and local to you, so you can get your car in tip-top shape, so you can get back out there, make that money.
Thanks for coming. Have a good day.
Bye, thanks.
Come again.